Hello students, here is a given question. This is asking to find volume flow rate at a cross section B. So at a cross section B means this is the cross section. At this point, volume flow rate is asking. And a given area at A and at B, some areas are given, cross section areas. So volume flow rate is what? So flow rate is first the condition about it's a volume flow rate. Okay. So this is volume flow rate is Q is equals to A1 V1 is equals to A2 V2. So this is called equation of continuity. And from here, just I'm taking about this one, A1 V1 is equals to A2 V2. So A1 is 6 and V1 is equals to A2 is 3 V2. Okay. So this is what 3 ones, 3 twos. So this is 2 V1 is equals to V2 is the first relation. And next one, volume flow rate at the point B means here we need to find Q at B is equals to, so cross-sectional area at B and velocity at B, so will be our answer. So to find this one, I should go for this. So from the Bernoulli's theorem, okay. So from Bernoulli's equation, what is the Bernoulli's equation? Okay. So from Bernoulli's equation, here when the liquid, the ideal fluid is flowing from this through the cross section, different cross sections are here. Okay, the same pressure means pressure difference is 0, and the height difference is here is the height difference. It's a 5 centimeter. So height difference, which is a h, it is a 5 centimeter. Now I can write this is rho g h difference means what rho g h is equals to, so half rho v2 square minus v1 square. Okay, 2 means b and 1 means what it a. So this now I can write on this here. It's a rho and rho cancel. Okay, so this is g h is equals to 2gh is equals to v2 square minus v1 square. So here v2 is equals to 2v1, v2 is equals to 2v1, we have this one, is it? So now first I can find about this one, 2gh is equals to, so in place of v2 I'm substituting this is what 2v1, 2v1 means what 4v1 square minus v1 square. So 2gh is equals to 3v1 square. Okay, so I can write on this one. It's a v1 is equals to 2gh by 3 under root. So this is the velocity. Okay, so velocity v1 means at the first one at this cross section v1. Okay, now v1 is equals to under root of 2, g is 10 and h is given 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 by 3. So it can be written as, so 5 to the 10, 100, 10 power minus 2 means 1 by root 3. This is V1. Okay, V1 is equals to 1 by root 3. So now equation that's is what the question is given here. Volume flow rate. Volume flow rate is what? It's a Q. Q is equals to A1 V1, A2 V2. Anyone, both are equal. Okay. So Q is equals to A1 V1. I'm writing this. So it's A1 is given, it's a 6. And V1 is 1 by root 3. So this will be 2 root 3. Okay. So the answer is what? Volume flow rate. Volume flow rate. So it's a Q. Okay. So this is equals to 2 root 3 cubic meter per second is the answer.